Hey everyone, Lydia here today. I'm diving into the RoboUP T1200Pro robot lawnmower. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. This wire-free high-tech marvel will transform your lawn care. If you're tired of pushing a mower or dealing with messy wires, this could be your new best friend. Let's break down what makes this mower shine, a couple of things to keep in mind, and why I think it's a game changer. First off, the T1200Pro is all about convenience. It uses an advanced RTK and vision positioning system for centimeter-level accuracy. No boundary wires needed. Just set it up through the app, and it maps your lawn with intelligent boundary recognition. I was blown away by how easy it was to define mowing zones. The app lets you customize multi-zone management so you can prioritize certain areas or schedule different times for, say, the front and backyard. It's perfect for lawns up to 1/3 of an acre, which covers most residential properties. The AI-powered obstacle avoidance is a standout. With ultrasonic sensors, 2 cameras, and an AI vision system, this mower dodges pets, toys, and even wildlife without missing a beat. I tested it in my yard with kids' toys scattered around, and it navigated like a pro, maintaining a safe distance every time. The VS-Lam camera also ensures it sticks to the lawn's boundaries so it won't wander into your flower beds. Plus, it's virtually silent, so you can run it early in the morning without waking the neighbors. Another big win is the customized mowing paths. You can set grid patterns or let it optimize its route for efficiency. It even has a rain sensor, so it heads back to its dock if the weather turns. The LED headlights are a nice touch for evening mowing, and the big red stop button on top gives you instant control for emergencies. Honestly, it feels like having a little robotic gardener that works tirelessly. Now let's talk about a couple of cons, because no product is perfect. The setup can take a bit of time, especially if your lawn has complex shapes or lots of obstacles. You'll need to spend maybe an hour tweaking the app to get the boundaries just right. It's not hard, but it's not instant either. Also, while the T1200Pro is a premium mower, it comes with a premium price tag. For smaller yards or tighter budgets, you might find cheaper alternatives, though they often lack the AI smarts and wire-free design. Currently, the 2025 model has a coupon from Rick. Click the link in the video description, and then click the coupon code on Amazon to apply the savings. Despite the cons, I'm giving the RoboUP T1200Pro a big thumbs up. The time it saves, combined with its precision and smart features, makes it worth the investment for anyone who values a pristine lawn without the hassle. It's like setting your lawn care on autopilot. Whether you've got a busy schedule or just want to enjoy your weekends, this mower delivers. Ready to check it out? Head to the link below for the best pricing on Amazon, plus special promotional deals through Rick's Review Hub. Don't miss out on those savings. Also, swing by our channel for more reviews on robot mowers and other cool tech to make your life easier. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, or hit that subscribe button for more. Catch you on the flippity flip.